Alright, so in this example we're going to be talking about solving proportions with multiple terms. So notice here that we do have two terms on our numerator here and two terms here. So we have solved proportions before, however we have not done it with multiple terms. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. So we know that whenever we solve a proportion, we simply just cross multiply. Alright, so we know it's a proportion because we have two ratios equal to each other. That's the definition of a proportion. So when you're given a proportion, you're simply just going to cross multiply. So for example, if you want to draw it in, it's going to look something like this, just cross multiplying. Alright, and then here. Now, since I have multiple terms, I have to distribute. Alright, so what I can do is start on my numerator here, and actually I'm going to write it out so you can see what's going on here. We're doing 18 times 2x. And 18 times a negative 4. So to show that, I'm going to do 18 and in parentheses 2x minus 4, okay? And then on this side, I have equal to, same thing, 4 times 6x, and then 4 times 6. So just writing it out, I get 4, and then I get 6x plus 6, okay? So hopefully this is a little more visual so we can see what's going on, right? And at this point, I want to go ahead and just simply distribute, right? So I'm going to distribute this 18 inside. So 18 times 2x, that's going to give me 36x. Okay, so we're just writing 36x. And then 18 times a negative 4, that's going to give me negative 72. Okay, just continuing on, we have equal to 4 times 6x, that's 24x. And then 4 times 6 is going to be positive 24. So our goal now is to get our variable on one side. So what I'm going to do is subtract 24x on both sides. Okay, this will cancel. So we get 36x minus 24x. That's going to give us 12x. So positive 12x. Okay, and then here, right, we can move this negative 72 over, so plus 72 on both sides. Okay, we have equal to, so just doing this out, we're going to get 96 here. Right. Now our last step, we want to divide both sides by 12, right? So divide both sides by 12, and we'll have our final answer. So we get x equals, and 96 divided by 12 is going to give us 8, so x equals 8, so just writing 8 here. Okay, and that's going to be our final answer. Okay, so that is solving proportions with multiple terms.